Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off the console and removing the battery. This prevents accidental inputs and protects components. Once done, use a thin flat tool to lift the backplate clips and work around the edges slowly. This frees the plate without cracking plastic. Make sure to keep screws and clips in order, because orientation matters later. Finally, slide out the stock paddles while noting the spring placement and how each paddle sits, so reassembly is simple and predictable. You now position each elite paddle base into its corresponding slot, aligning the tiny spring and detent so the mechanism will register presses reliably. Press the paddle down until you hear or feel a click, and immediately test travel with your finger to confirm smooth return and tactile feedback. Once the first is correct, repeat for the remaining paddles, making sure placement is symmetrical for comfortable reach. If a paddle feels sticky, slightly reposition the spring before proceeding. You finish by snapping the backplate on evenly, pressing clips until they seat, and then reinstalling the battery or charge pack. Next, connect to the console and open the Xbox Accessories app to map each paddle to the desired inputs. This is where you decide why paddles improve ergonomics and reaction time. Test in a practice session, and if something misfires, remap or tweak dead zones. Troubleshooting tip: if a paddle fails, reseat the spring and check for debris. That fixes most contact issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.